Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Average Aspirant. Before anything, if you need to reach out, do contact me on Instagram. The ID is d.averageaspirant. So this is my Insta handle. In case you have any queries, do reach out. I will take some time to respond to your queries because I'm not that active, but you can expect a reply from me always. Okay, so continuing the series, we are today going to cover the company known as Goldman Sachs, GS. Um, it comes to ABCLKI. I'm I'm aware that they come to SPGen. I don't know if they come to FMS or XLRI. That's why I have not written it here. But if they do, check their placement report. If they do, these are the roles that they open when they come to any MBA college. So these are all post MBA roles, and this video is going to be a bit long because I'm also going to explain the roles a bit. Okay, so if you want to, you can directly skip to the salary part if you want to know that. But if you want to know more about the roles, be it risk, investment banking, or trading, you can just watch the next part. Okay, moving on. So these are the roles which are present. I'll explain each and every one of them. Risk strats, IBD strats, GMD trading, GMD strats, AMD strats, and PIPG structuring. So these are 6 roles. They visit for other roles as well. So usually what happens is they visit for 7 to 8 roles in different colleges, and they hire 2 to 3 people or even sometimes one per role. So they hire in a good amount. So you can imagine if they come for, let's say, 6 roles and they hire, let's say, 2 or 3 people for every role, take an average of 2.5. So they easily hire 15 people from a batch. So this is the amount of hiring Goldman Sachs does, and it has always been participating in the colleges that I mentioned in the previous slide, ABCLKI, and also SPGN, SPGIMR. Okay, so this is about the risk stats role, and this is about the division, and this is about the responsibilities. So the risk division, as you might have guessed, it identifies, anticipates, mitigates wherever whatever the risk your investment or anything your clients might be having. Also, they take care of the global businesses. So risk professionals usually focus on giving the firm clarity on the risk profile. So you need to assess the risk amount and mitigate it, find ways to mitigate it. So these would be your responsibilities if you join as a risk strat uh, trainee or an intern, right? As a member of the risk analytics and reporting team, these are your responsibilities. You need to use analytical solutions. So see the keywords, right? Query and transform financial data to produce real-time insights, large data sets, statistical techniques, Python. Just see the keywords. Okay. Constructing data, developing data, Tableau, and user analytics software. So just by looking at it, you don't need to. If you want to, you can just have a look at the whole profile. But just by looking at it, you can guess it is an analytics heavy role. You need to use softwares. You need to know Tableau. You need to know Python. So if you are someone who has done his or her engineering and let's say computer science or IT, or if you are good in these languages, then you can expect a shortlist, and you can get selected in this particular role, risk stats. Okay, moving on to the next role. So this role is IBD stats. What is IBD? Investment banking division. So they are involved in pricing, execution, and risk management of capital markets transactions of for large corporations and institutions. Okay. Now, what are the responsibilities if you join as an IBD stats analyst? These will be your responsibilities: develop quantitative models, you know, credit products, statistical models. Again, you need to use ROE, capital modeling. So These are the things which are usually taught in during your MBA. If you have prior knowledge, you might have done, let's say, CFA, or you are a CA or a Fin grad, then it would be really beneficial during your summer placements. Otherwise, when they come to higher and final placements, uh, you can again use this education of yours, use this teaching that you get in MBA, and get into this particular role. This is the investment banking division. IBD stands for investment banking division. Okay, moving on to the next role. The next role is PIPG structuring. So what is PIPG? PIPG is Private Investors Product Group. So now you can guess by the name. It is private investors product group. What it means. So the main clients are either institutional clients or private banks, retail banks, and other distributors. And they provide solutions to HNIs. What is HNI? High net worth individual, HNIs, or retail investors. So this is a group. This is a closed group, private investors group, and this is the division for which they hire. And what will be your responsibilities? Structuring and originating team. This is the team of which you will be a part of. They work with all other groups, maintain issuance programs and products for PIPG. So basically, whatever products GS has, you need to personalize it for your own group, group, which is your PIPG group. So it is a mix of all roles, right? So play a key role in managing, coordinating. So you need to liaise with all the groups and maintain good relations with them. Okay. Now moving on to this role, which is GMD trading. This is a proper trading role. This is the role where the trading actually happens in FICC. What is FICC? Fixed income, currencies, and commodities. So there are different trading desks. Desk may be, trading in only in fixed income or in currency or in commodity, or maybe a combination of these three, or even others. So this is a proper trading team. And as you can imagine their work, they enable your clients to buy and sell, financial products, raise fundings, and manage risk. They facilitate the client transactions in fixed income, currencies, and commodities market. So this is the role. So these will be your responsibilities if you join in GMD trading. So depending on the team, candidate would be required to work on problems including these. So just an example, if you join the commodities team, commodity trading, you will be trading in commodities. Okay, so you will have to understand market fundamentals of these particular commodities. You need to identify the trends, price. You also need to structure customer inquiries, manage PNL. PNL is profit and loss. PNL. You need to see your risk, improve desk systems and tools. So depending on whichever product you get, whichever product you trade in, these will be your responsibilities. Okay, moving on to the next role. So this role is GMD strats. We saw the earlier role was in FICC. It was in trading. This is in strats. So FICC again, fixed income, currencies and commodities. Structuring team. Team is different. Previous one was trading team. This is structuring teams. This team works closely with other groups. We saw a group which was PIPG. Similarly, there are other groups across the firm, including sales, trading, engineering across regions. Okay, so focuses on payoff structuring, investment ideas, generating market analytics, building tools, fundamental analysis of company financials, and they offer cater to a wide range of clients, including hedge fund, asset managers, and corporates. Okay, so what will be your responsibilities if you join in this particular team? So you need to support pricing and payoff structuring of derivatives using internal pricing tools. There are certain tools which GS uses, and you need to work on building new and enhancing existing tools to highlight market opportunities and generate trade ideas. So yeah, this will basically be your responsibilities. You can have a look. And now quickly moving on to the next role. Now this is AMD strats. Earlier was GMD. Now AMD, what is AMD? AMD is asset management division. Now this is purely asset management tool. Okay. Uh, so AMD provides institutional and individual investors with investment advisory solutions. Okay, you can invest in asset classes, industries, and across geographies, and you will work side by side with the firm investment professionals. Now, these will be your responsibilities if you join as in this particular role, AMD Strats. You would be required to use mathematics, programming, logical thinking, quantitative models. So just look at the keywords: global financial markets, research, analysis, aptitude for innovation. Okay, generate strategies, discuss portfolio allocation problems, build models, trading automation, data analysis. So this is again an analytics heavy role. Apart from finance knowledge, fin knowledge, you also need to be good in analytics. So as you saw, most of the roles here are analytics heavy, and these are the roles which are offered in various IIMs. Now, yeah, moving to the most important part you guys have been waiting for. So this is the salary breakup is provided in the next slide, which Goldman Sachs offers to MBA grads. So the total CTC is 36 LPA, base is of 26 LPA. Relocation bonus, this is a one time 3.5. Variable is again, this should be up to. Now, depending on your team, depending if you are on a desk, if depending on that particular desk, depending on your PNL, whatever, there are various factors which come in, right? While deciding how much amount of variable you will get. So this is the maximum it can go to 6.5. Otherwise, this is the fixed amount that you'll get every month. Sorry, this is an yearly amount. A part of it you will get every month. Cutting all the taxes, and you'll know what in hand salary you'll be getting. I'll just cover it in a while. Just give me a minute. So also covering the intern stipend. So if you are selected as an intern, you get 1.75 lakhs per month. So for 2 months of internship, you'll get a total of 350,000. So 3,50,000 for 2 months you'll get if you are selected as an intern in Goldman Sachs. So this is the salary breakup. This we saw was the base 26. If 26 is the base, basic is 50% of it, 13. Then there is HRA 6.5, LTA is leave travel allowance, medical allowance 20,000, others 2.5. PF should be, if you have to check if a breakup is original or not, just check if the PF is 12% of basic or not. So if 13 lakhs is the basic, PF should be 12%, which is 156. Yes. So and then there's gratuity of 74,000. If you add this up, the total base should come around 26,000,000. And now, how much you think you can expect in hand? In hand, in 26 would be around 1.85 lakhs per month. So this is the amount that you'll be getting per month, PM, right? And the job location is usually Bangalore, but a few of the roles are open in Hyderabad as well. Hyderabad, but most of it, 90% of it is in Bangalore. Okay, so today we have covered Goldman Sachs, and I'll keep bringing these videos. Keep commenting on which firms do you want me to cover next. Of course, I'll not be able to cover all the firms at once. All at once, I won't be able to do it. But I'll try. I'll try to cover all of them. But please give me some time. Please allow me some time. And yeah, please like, subscribe the channel, guys. And yeah, do follow for more. Thank you. Have a nice day.